Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video about flower pot gardening, where we show you how to make a beautiful display of flowers right at your front door. There are a lot of ways to add color, scent and beauty to a place with flower pots. In this video, we shall show you how to grow flowers in pots and give you tips on how to make a beautiful flower garden. Number 1. Choose the right flower pots. Look at the different kinds of flower pots like clay, ceramic and plastic and choose the ones that match your style and the plants you want to grow. Think about things like drainage hole size and the strength of material to make sure your flowers grow in best circumstances. Number 2. Choose spectacular blooms. There are many flowers that do well in pots, such as petunias, geraniums, and marigolds and pansies, to name a few. When picking your flower varieties, think about how much light they need, how they grow, and what color you want to use together. Number 3. Perfect potting mix. Learn why it's important to use potting soil that drains well and keeps nutrients in the soil. Find out how different types of flowers like their dirt to be made and how to get your pots ready for planting. Creating the right growing conditions is the first step to getting blooms that are healthy and full of life. Number 4. Watering and feeding. Learn how to water your pot flowers so they stay hydrated and don't get root from too much water. Learn how much water different kinds of flowers need and set up a regular schedule for watering. Also learn about fertilizers and how to use them to give your flowers the best nutrients they need to keep growing and blooming. Number 5. Pot placement and care. Think of creative ways to show off your flower pots, whether they are on windowsills, pots or patios. To get the most out their looks, rotate your pots every so often to make sure that all sides get enough sunlight. Check your plants regularly for signs of pests or diseases. Take the step needed to keep them healthy and growing. Flower pot gardening lets us make a beautiful pattern of flowers that add charm and beauty to your home. With the right flower pots, the right kinds of flowers, the right way to plant, water and take care of them, your flower pots will be colorful way to demonstrating how much you love gardening. For more flower pot planting ideas and tips, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching.